Look, he's in the water. Oh, how cute! Look at him.
Come on, let's go, boys. Or let's go, bro.
See? He's so cute. You guys take pictures. Oh my God, he's staring at me. He's so cute. Oh, you can see. Oh! That scared me. I'm looking at him again now.
Be very careful. Point that down. Thank
He
you.
scared me for a second. Because he's over here.
Is he gonna what?
Oh, he's coming back.
Leo, pointy side down, buddy. Careful with that.
Oh, he's a shark. Oh, he's coming.
He was playing with the ball.
Oh my God, he's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump.
Oh,
No. He's cute. Let me see. Come on.
oh.
So, he was